I always heard that the trend was your friend, but I realized there's more to this. The trading formula is... So today we are going to talk about a trading formula that changed my trading. So let's not waste no time, let's go. Now the trading formula is ELEE, E-L-E-E. Now the E stands for environment and the L stands for levels. The E stands for entries and the E stands for exits. So first thing is the environment, guys. Now the environment is market structure, right? The context of the market, because man, this is something that really hurt my trading in the past because I didn't understand the market structure. I didn't understand the environment. I always heard that the trend was your friend. And honestly, that's what I was focused on, the trend, right? But I realized there's more to this. So for the most part, most people, when they talk about the market, they say it goes up, down, and sideways, right? Nothing wrong with that. You know, I believe that is sort of true, but it's not the real truth, okay? I had to dig deep. I realized the market is in these 4 different states. We have the trending state, we have the ranging state, we have the breakout state, and we have the reversal state. Those are the main states that the market is always changing, okay? So the reason why I'm not saying that the market doesn't go up, down, and sideways, but if you just only look at the market that way, it will, in my opinion, affect the way you trade, because if you look at the market in a deep way, you will realize it's doing these 4 states every single day and it's constantly changing different states. It's almost like a human being, right? 1 minute, a human being might be happy. The next minute, you might be sad. Next minute, you might be excited. So like a human being changing states, the market also is changing states. And how I really got really into this is when one day I decided to take a screenshot of the whole day. So my day usually starts at 9:30, right? So 9:30 all the way to like 4 o'clock, right? I took screenshots. I mean, I went back for months, years, whole bunch of screenshots. I'm talking about well over 100 different screenshots, and we talking about different market conditions. So when I take these screenshots, right, I'm putting these screenshots in different folders. So we have a trending folder, we have a breakout folder, we have a ranging folder, we have a reversal folder, and believe it or not, right, every trend is not created equal, right? We have some trends that are very strong, right? Hardly any deep pullbacks. And then we have trends that are, have these deep pullbacks and they're not really that strong. So knowing this, it's going to help you when you are trading the market, okay? Knowing that the market is always changing different states and recognizing these different states in real time is really going to help your trading. If I told you tomorrow is guaranteed that we are going to have a trending day, right? Let's say I said, it's 100% guaranteed we're going to have a trending day. I don't know that, but I'm just saying, let's say it was a guarantee, right? We're going to have a trending day. Do you think you can make money? Of course, right? Maybe plot a trend line, maybe plot a 50 moving average, whatever the case is. I'm quite sure you can probably make money if you knew for a fact it was going to be a trending day. Now, if you knew for a fact tomorrow is going to be a ranging day, do you think you can make money? Well, I'm quite sure, right? Sell at the top, buy at the bottom. So that is pretty much the whole idea of understanding different states, because that's what you want to do as a trader. Of course, we are not going to be right 100% of the time, but that's our job. We have to know in real time, what is the market doing? So let me show you guys some examples so this can actually make sense to you guys. So right here, guys, right here. So we have the market trending right to the upside. And notice how we have this pullback right here, right? And then the market went up, gave you another pullback down here, right? So we have these deep pullbacks. So let's say I'm looking at the market, right here, and I'm looking to basically take either a long or a short or whatever the case is. I'm looking at this market. Automatically, what I'm seeing is the market is not really strong. It's not a strong trend because we have these deep pullbacks. It's going up, another deep pullback. So what I'm looking to see is how it's going to react at these certain levels. Okay, so right here, notice how we have this resistance right here, and it broke that resistance. But if you notice, it barely broke that resistance. It came back down, right? So now this resistance is actually holding. So in my head, I'm thinking, okay, the market looks weak. We're not really in a strong trend. We're having these deep pullbacks. We are having trouble at resistance. Maybe today is going to be a reversal day. Okay, so that's my mindset, right? I'm not going in here saying, oh, the trend is my friend, let me buy because I see a trend. No, I'm looking at the state right now. It's looking like a reversal state. So right here, the market shot down. It came back to that resistance right here, and notice that we have a nice bearish bar. So I'm looking at this. If I was in this market right here, I'll probably see, okay, we have a nice trend line break. Let me go short. Let me put my stop loss above the high. Okay, and let me look for profits when it hits the low. Okay, so that is my thought process every single day when I'm looking at the market. I'm looking at the state of the market. I'm not just saying, oh, the trend is my friend, let me buy because it's up. No, because if the market looks weak, if it looks like it's going to reverse, I need to know that as a trader. That is your job. Your job as a trader is to know what the market is doing right now in real time. So let's go to another example. All right, so here's another example, right? So let's say I'm right here, okay? The market is about to open, my session is about to open right here. What do we see? Well, we see that the market is not really going anywhere. It's going up, down, right? So we know that this is a ranging market. Automatically in my head, I know it's a ranging market, okay? So what do I do on a ranging day? I buy at the bottom and I sell at the top. So I'm looking for a reaction, okay? So right here we have what? The environment. We know that is ranging, okay? Now the next thing is L, right? L stands for levels. So what is the level right here? Level is support, okay? So we know we have support right here, okay? Now, the next thing is entries. How do we want to get in, okay? So we see a nice rejection. So that could be one of your entries. Rejection bar or a nice strong bullish bar, right? If the market is going up, vice versa. If the market is going down, nice bearish bar, or nice rejection, bearish bar, or maybe a double top or double bottom. So right here, we have a nice rejection bar right at the support level, okay? Now we want to get in, okay? So let's get in. So I'm going to get in as soon as the market goes above that bar and put my stop loss below the setup bar. You can put your stop loss whatever you want. I'm just giving you what I do most of the time. So right here, now, since we have the environment, E, we have the level, L, we have E, entry. Now we have to go to the last one, which is E, exit, right? So where do we want to exit? Well, we can exit anywhere where it makes sense. So right here, the first place it makes sense is right here, right? But it might not go all the way up there. So let's go to another one right here. We have this little swing high right here. So we can say, all right, our first exit was right here. Or we can say, I like this supply level right here. So anywhere at the supply level, I might get out. Notice how he reacted when it hit that supply level. So we can actually get out when, you know, hit that supply level or above that swing high or the ultimate high at the end. And this is what I'm doing every single day. I am looking at the market in real time, trying to figure out what state the market is in, because I don't want to be that trader that thinks that the trend is always your friend. It is not, because every single day it's not going to be trending. So let's go to another example. All right, so here's another example, right? So overall, we're looking for what? Because the market is going straight down. So you would say that this is what? A trending market, right? So we got that environment out the way, okay? It's a trending market. Now, what level do we want? Well, right here, first, I see a nice supply level right here. So we can wait for the market to come that supply level, okay? Now, when we are trading the market, that's all we're doing at first, right? We're looking at the environment and we're looking at our levels. Now, we're waiting for that reaction. Notice how it blew right past that supply level. So it's telling me that most likely this can be a reversal, right? So I'm looking at this. Number one, okay, we have, the market is breaking this trend line, right? And also it's finding support at this level right here, which this is a inverse head and shoulders, all right? Another reversal pattern, right? So I'm looking at this as a potential reversal, okay? So the way I'm looking at this is I'm not really too sure yet. So let me give it, some more time to develop. So honestly, me personally, I probably wouldn't take this long right here. I'll probably wait for it to go up even more, okay? So notice how it came back, it broke this high, it pulled back. Now, right? Now, guys, this is telling me that we are not in the downtrend anymore. We are reversing. Remember, I told you guys before, the market is always changing different states. So now we are not trending anymore. We are reversing. Now I need to look for long. So now we know the environment is reversing. Now we look for a level. So I'm looking for this level right here, right? And then we're looking to get in. We have a nice bullish bar right here. And then we're looking for our exit. So our exit would probably be the high right here, right? So get in and I'll look for that high right here. Okay, and this is what I'm doing every single day. Now, not every single day is going to be a winning day, but this is what I'm doing because I need to train my brain every single day what the market is doing in real time, because most traders, believe it or not, don't know what the market is doing in real time, or their reaction time is too late. So they realize, oh man, yeah, I see what's going on, but it's too late. You got chopped up or you got trapped. All right, so let's go to another example. All right, so this example right here, guys, guess what? The market was trending up, but right here, we started to reverse. So this is around the time I'm trading. I'm trading around 9 o'clock, 9:30, right? So I'm looking at this bull move, but at the same time, right, we broke this key support. So the time I'm trading is around here, right? I'm seeing this. Now, is this a bull trend or is this a reversal? In my head, I'm still thinking this is a reversal. Yes, it could still be a bull trend, but right now, they are breaking key levels And to me, you know, if they breaking key levels with a lot of volume coming out those key levels, to me, I have to look at this as a reversal day. So I'm looking for the market to come back to this level, and I'm looking to take a short. So right here, it came back to this level right here. We have nice rejections, and I'm looking to get in. Okay, now let me show you guys some more examples. Okay, so right here, guys, what do we have? We have a ranging market. Right now, this is a nice tight ranging market. So when I'm looking at this, I'm looking at the market, and let's say that we start to basically look at the market around this time right here. Me personally, I'm gonna see how it's going to react at this level, because overall it's a ranging day. Okay, now notice how it broke past this. Now this is telling me that today is going to be a breakout day. Okay, remember, I have 4 states: trending state, reversal state, breakout state, and a ranging state. Okay, so right here, this is a breakout state. So what I'm looking for, guys, since we broke out of this, I want a pullback. Okay, but notice how it didn't really pull back. It is what it is. I want that pullback. Yes, sometimes you can take these breakouts, but I'm more a pullback trader. So, you know, it didn't pull back, came here. I want probably a pullback to here, never pull back. So right here, we have a strong breakout. It's not really pulling back to key levels that I like. And guess what? I'm going to skip that day and wait for tomorrow. There's nothing wrong with waiting for tomorrow or skipping or not trading for the day. Okay, don't think that you have to trade every single day. Now let me show you guys another example. So right here, guys, okay, this is a trade I took yesterday, actually day before yesterday. Pretty much the market was downtrending, right? So the way I'm looking at it is, all right, we might have trouble around here, and it was having trouble around here, right? So I took a short right here. Okay, overall, guess what? The market was what? Trending down. We are at a key level right here, and basically we had a nice rejection entry. Now I did notice that we had support to the left, and you know, that was kind of my fault, but at the same time, I thought we was breaking out, right? I thought we was breaking out, so I didn't mind taking this trade, but it was a loss, right? Again, you're not going to win 100% of the time. Now, what do I notice? Okay, I noticed that we are in this choppy range right here. It broke out of that range, okay? And it pulled back to a key level right here, okay? So we have this key level right here, nice bullish bar right here, guys, right? And I went long. So we have this nice bullish bar right here, pulling back to this key level. I went long because I knew that the market is changing states, because now, since we had that fell move to the downside, it's breaking that range. So we are in the breakout state now. It's pulling back to support. It showed me a nice bullish bar. Now I'm looking for that continuation to the upside. So again, you have to understand that the market is always changing different states, and you have to change with it. Now, you don't have to change with it. Let's say, for example, you took the short and that's a loser. You could be done for the day. But if you want to continue to trade, you have to realize, all right, it's changing states. Let me go along with the state, right? So notice how it came back. I give you another entry, okay, right here, and nice bullish bar. You could have took this long right here to the upside, right, and get some profits. So this is what I'm doing every single day. Let me show you guys one more example so you can really get this. So let's go. All right, so here's another example. What do we have? A trending day, right? Environment, it's a trending environment, okay? Now we got to look for levels. We have a nice demand level right here. I was definitely in this trade right here, okay? It pulled back to that key level, which is demand. It showed me a nice bullish bar right here, entry, and then exit the high, okay? So that's what I'm doing every single day. I'm looking for the environment. I'm looking for my levels. I'm looking to enter, and I'm looking to exit. Guys, you have to understand that the trend is your friend, but not all the time. It's going to change states. The market's going to change different states. You have to notice in real time. So this is what you have to do as a trader. Get used to this in real time so you can actually become an elite trader. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this. If so, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also check out my program if you want to learn more and learn how to trade the right way. If you have any questions, comment below, because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.